I am so excited to talk with Katarina Pauli from Nudge. Tell us more about Nudge, Katarina.
At Nudge, we are experts on behavioral change for sustainability, and we have developed a digital nudging platform using behavioral psychology to boost behavioral shifts in climate-friendly habits. So our clients are bigger corporations or municipalities that want to boost that behavioral journey using psychology and design and nudging as a method.
Can you tell us more about some examples of your customers?
Yeah, so one example is Varberg Energy that we actually came from Ignite matchmaking. And there we are an integrated version of their platform. So we could be using our platform either as a web app or integrated in any other apps or digital screens or digital solutions. So we integrate with Varberg Energy and we help their households to be more energy efficient with using psychology and behavioral design. For example, we can show households that your data compared to your neighbor's data or similar households. And that has been proven in several research studies globally that triggers that competitive instinct. So we don't want to be worse than our neighbors. So that actually triggers that long-term behavioral change.
And that is nudging, right?
Yes.
If someone is sitting here listening, what is nudging? Can you tell us some more examples from maybe some from the public sector, municipalities, as you mentioned?
Yeah, sure. So that is one nudging technique. There are many of them. One other is social proof, and that we used in collaboration with Uppsala. We've worked with City of Uppsala for many years, and last year we did a project with Destination Uppsala, where they have their major spring event, Valborg. This is a major event in the city, and a big problem is all of the littering after the event. So to be able to nudge people towards picking up the litter and throwing it in the bin and also increase the recycling, we used social proof nudges. And we were actually able to get 18% more waste that was collected during that event.
That's amazing, and you have the data to prove your technique. So has it been difficult to get your customers to understand the value of your product?
Not really. I think many of the clients, they struggle with behavioral change. It's hard to change behaviors. They have invested a lot in digital solutions, in infrastructure, but how much is a bike lane worth in infrastructure if no one is biking on it? So we all know what we should be doing, but it's actually hard to close that gap between what you know you should be doing and what you're not actually doing. But Ignite has been really helpful there, cutting the time from first meeting into real agreements. With Destination Uppsala, for example, it only took 2 weeks. That's a record for us as well. But sometimes it goes fast.
That's amazing. So, and you have a lot of customer in Sweden, and also looking outside, you already have customer in many countries, right?
We've actually done projects in 15 countries so far. Right now, we're focusing on Italy and Portugal. In Portugal, we're working with recycling and gamification for one of the major universities there. And then it's a combined solution of digital gamification platform and the Smart Nudges tool and physical interactions in the physical space. And then in Italy, we are a part of the Sustainable City Challenge in Venice. So getting people from Venice Mestre area, so the mainland on Venice, to start commuting by bike and public transport instead of taking the car.
Amazing. So what is the next step for you?
So our next step is launching a next version of our platform that is more hyper-personalized. We already work with really personalized, timely nudges based on science. And now when we integrate AI as a component as well, it helps people to get the real nudge that motivates them. So it's hyper-personalized from each end user. So a communications manager or a sustainability manager can reach out to employees or citizens and get that really motivating nudge for each end user. So that's our next version.
So your call to action now to those who's listening, who is your next customer?
So we work a lot with big corporations. So if there's any big corporation with like 500 to 1,000 or more employees that want to work with sustainable commuting, we can really offer a great pilot with this new version and bring a lot of value to you.
Hopefully they will reach out to you. Thank you so much and good luck, Katarina.
Thank you.